Emerging CPA marketing platforms in 2025, comprehensive analysis. Introduction. Traffic Junkie has long been a dominant ad platform in the adult sector, one of the largest and most respected adult advertising networks. But the 2025 landscape offers many alternatives across all verticals and traffic types. Rising compliance crackdowns and higher ad costs on mainstream channels have driven affiliate marketers to diversify into new platforms. This report explores emerging CPA marketing platforms beyond Traffic Junkie that show strong potential going into 2025 and beyond. We compare networks across adult gaming, finance, health, and more, covering formats like native, push, pop, in-app, and email. Insider commentary and case studies illustrate early successes with real ROI figures, while we also highlight 2025 to 2026 CPA trends and actionable entry strategies for solo affiliates, agencies, and media buyers. The evolving CPA marketing landscape in 2025. Diversification is key. With Google and Meta tightening restrictions, affiliates can't rely on one traffic source. Many who thrived in 2024 are diversified into email, native, push, and alternative social channels. Rising costs and competition. Ad costs on major platforms rose 60 to 70% year over year, squeezing margins. Bans are increasingly common, forcing affiliates to shift fast. Emerging networks with cheaper traffic or lighter compliance have become attractive alternatives. Global expansion. Growth in international markets is critical. Affiliates are scaling into 50 to 70 plus GEOs, tapping undersaturated audiences in Asia, Latin America, and Eastern Europe. Emerging CPA ad platforms by vertical and traffic type. First, adult advertising networks beyond Traffic Junkie. The adult vertical remains lucrative, and several newer platforms are challenging incumbents. ExoClick, still a powerhouse, serving billions of impressions daily with advanced targeting. TwinRed, praised as forward-looking, offering huge volumes, multiple formats, push, pop, native, interstitial, and strong optimization tools. Affiliates report strong ROI on adult offers. Traffic Nomads, a DSP built by veteran affiliates, delivering approximately 7 billion impressions daily across formats, including push, native, pops, and innovative engaged ads. Particularly strong in iGaming, dating, and Nutra. Clickadilla, popular for budget-friendly pop and push traffic, with granular targeting and low entry costs, ideal for testing. Traffic Stars, known for premium placements inside dating cam sites, offering CPM, CPC, and smart bidding. Strong volumes across Tier 1 and emerging GEOs. Takeaway. Adult ad platforms beyond Traffic Junkie provide scale, advanced optimization, and multiple formats, giving affiliates the ability to diversify campaigns and sustain ROI. 2. Push and pop traffic networks, mainstream and mixed. Push and pop traffic remain cost-effective staples. Propeller Ads, a leader in push and pop formats, offers global scale, CPA goal auto optimization, and granular reporting case study. A team generated $833,000 in e-commerce sales at 20 to 30% return on investment, peaking at 225% return on investment in 1 month by optimizing push campaigns. Adstera, popular for its social bar format, a push banner hybrid. Case study, a gambling app in India produced 198% return on investment in just 5 days, leveraging ultra cheap clicks, approximately $0.002. Rich Ads, expanded from push to pops. Native and Telegram ads, known for crypto, betting, finance, and sweepstakes offers, provides pre-built whitelists and automation tools for optimization. Zero Park offers redirect Dutch domain traffic alongside pops and push. Still valuable for sweepstakes, app installs, and finance offers in Tier 2/3 GEOs. Takeaway, push pop traffic continues to thrive in 2025, especially when paired with smart optimization and localized creatives. 3. Native advertising networks, finance, health, and mainstream. Native ads are regaining importance thanks to compliance, stability, and massive reach. Taboola Outbrain, the giants covering premium publishers globally. MGID, strong in health and finance verticals with relatively lenient compliance. Rev Content, US/Tier 1 inventory with high CTR widgets, often paired with quiz-style pre-landers. Case studies show affiliates scaling finance, health, and crypto campaigns to $50,000 to $100,000 per day spent profitably. Keys to success: site-level optimization, aggressive creative testing and tracking LTV, not just CPA. Takeaway, native ads are a scalable alternative to Facebook, Google, particularly for storytelling-driven verticals like finance and Nutra. 4. Social and emerging channels. TikTok ads, a top channel for 18 to 35 audiences with strong app install and e-commerce results. Low CPMS but strict ad policies. Creative quality is crucial. Reddit ads, smaller scale but high intent audiences within subreddits, tech, finance, gaming, works well with authentic ad styles. Telegram ads, sponsored posts in public channels, often strong for crypto and betting. Networks like Rich Ads integrate with Telegram for affiliates. In-app ads, Unity, AppLovin, IronSource, powerful for CPI campaigns and mobile utilities. Rewarded video ads inside games convert especially well. Email newsletter sponsorships. Platforms like Live Intent or Paved let affiliates reach segmented newsletter audiences, finance, lifestyle, health, with strong trust-driven conversions. Takeaway, social and emerging channels are essential supplements to traditional platforms. They provide targeted reach with less competition, but require mastering each platform's unique creative style. Insider case studies. E-commerce on push propeller ads, $833,000 in sales with 20 to 30% ROI, peak month ROI of 225% after optimization. Gambling app on Adstera social bar, $338 spend, $1,009 revenue in 5 days, 198% ROI by localizing creatives and using pre-landers. Finance offers on native, affiliates scaled to $50,000 plus per day by adhering to compliance, aggressively testing creatives, and tracking back-end LTV. Telehealth predictions. Telehealth offers, subscriptions, online consultations, pay-per-call, are expected to surge in 2025 as consumer demand grows. CPA marketing trends for 2025 to 2026. New verticals. Telehealth, fintech, and iGaming lead the way. Blending brand and performance, campaigns must build trust as well as conversions. Agility and compliance, fast pivots and compliance mastery are key advantages. AI integration, AI now powers creative production, campaign testing, and optimization. Affiliates embracing AI will scale faster. Higher bar to entry, rising costs and competition make creativity, analytics, and professionalism essential. Winners will be either lean innovators or well-funded data-driven teams. Entry strategies. For solo affiliates, start with one platform vertical, master it, then scale, and join communities and spy on competitors' creatives. Use trackers for data-driven decisions. Keep budgets tight at first, cut losses quickly. Build compliance knowledge and relationships with account managers. For agencies and teams, diversify into 3+ traffic sources: native, search, push, social. Invest in creative production and funnel assets. Negotiate bulk buying deals with networks. Use analytics and automation for incremental gains. Localize and expand into emerging GEOs. For in-house media buyers, build direct relationships with platform reps. Prioritize first-party data collection for retargeting. Allocate budgets for ongoing experimentation. Stay educated on regulations and platform policy shifts. Optimize for LTV and ROAS, not just CPA. Conclusion. The CPA marketing ecosystem in 2025 is richer and more complex than ever. Beyond stalwarts like Traffic Junkie, emerging platforms across adult gaming, finance, and health are delivering scale and ROI for affiliates who adapt quickly. The affiliates and agencies who will thrive are those who diversify channels, leverage AI and analytics, embrace compliance, and track not just conversions but lifetime value. Success is no longer about arbitrage alone, it's about agility, strategy, and long-term brand-minded performance. As one insider summarized, in this fast-evolving game, agility beats scale.